Hello friends, do you know what day it is today? Let's figure it out together. Can you find the last shape that we drew in our pattern? If we find the last shape we drew in our pattern, then we will know what yesterday was, and that will help us to determine what today is. Did you guess a yellow circle? Yellow circle was our last shape we drew in our pattern. So yesterday was Sunday, March 21st, 2021. So we're going to go from this square, one square over. We always go left to right, and this is our square for today. So we are going to put the next shape in our pattern so that while we're working on our calendar, we know which square to come back to. What do you think the shape is going to be today? I hear some great guesses. Let's go back to the top of the calendar and do the pattern together. Are you ready? Green shamrock, yellow circle, 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 green shamrock. Did you guess green shamrock? Let's draw our shamrock into our calendar. You can practice on your calendar or on a piece of paper, or if you want, you can just draw it in the air with your fingers. Are you ready? We'll start by putting a stem right here. Then we're going to go out to the right and draw a heart shape. Then we're going to go up to the top and draw a heart shape. And then we're going to go out to the left and draw a heart shape. And then we can color that in. And it's okay if your bumps are not all the same or if your sides are different. We'll get better the more we practice. So now that we know which square is for today, we can figure out what the name of the day is. And do you remember how many days we have in a week? Let's count them up and say their names together. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 days in the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Good job. Thank you for singing that with me. It's much more fun when we do it together. So this is our square for today, and we're going to go straight up the column to find out what the name of today is, and it's Monday. And Monday begins with the letter M, and it sounds like Can you try that? Good job. Some words that start with M are milk, marmalade. Monday starts with a capital M because it's the name of our day. M-O-N-D-A-Y. Monday. Monday. And Monday has 2 syllables. Will you clap them with me? Monday. Good job. One more time. Monday. Excellent. Now let's put Monday into the sentence in our agenda. Did you bring your agenda today? It's okay if you didn't. You can practice on a piece of paper or in the air. So we're going to start by putting in the first 2 words of our sentence, and they are today is. So it'll be a capital T, O, D, A, Y. And then the word is I-S. And then we're going to put in the name of the day, and it begins with a capital M because Monday is the name of our day. O-N-D-A-Y, and then a comma. And that comma reminds us to pause before we say the next word. And the next word is going to be our month. Do you remember how many months there are in the year? Let's count them up and say their names together. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 months in the year. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Good job. And do you remember what month we're in right now? I'll give you a hint. It's the 3rd month of the year. So it's 3 months from the top. Let's count down. 1, 2, 3. And that says March. And we put March at the top of our calendar, and it begins with the letter M as well, just like Monday. So capital M-A-R-C-H, March. And March has 1 syllable. Will you clap it with me? March. Good job. One more time. March. Excellent. Today is Monday, comma, and I've run out of room, so I'm going to come down and go back to this side of the page. March. Capital M-A-R-C-H. And next I'm going to put in the number. And what do you think the number is going to be today? Oh, here's some great guesses. What is the number from yesterday? Do you see it on the board? 21. So when we count, we say 21. But when we put in the calendar, we say 21st. Can you try that? 21st. Good job. So if yesterday was the 21st, what do you think today will be? What comes after 21 when we're counting? Well, I hear wonderful guesses. Let's go back up to the top and count our days together and see if our answer is correct. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Did you guess 22? Let's put 22 into the calendar. You can practice on your paper or in the air with your finger. Are you ready? So 22 has two twos beside each other. We'll start up here and we'll go around and come down at an angle and then back across the bottom. And then we're going to do the same thing over here. Go around and come down on an angle and across the bottom. A 2 and a 2 beside each other make 22. And when we count, we say 22, but when we put it in the calendar, we say 22nd. Can you try that? 22nd. Good job. Let's count backwards. Are you ready? It's okay if you don't know yet. We'll practice together. 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thank you for counting that with me. Let's put our number into our agenda. Today is Monday, March 22nd, 2, 2, and then a comma. And that comma reminds us to pause before we say the year. And the year is at the top of the calendar with the month, 2021. 2, 0, 2, 1, and then a period. And that period reminds us to stop. We're not going to say anything else after that word. Let's say the whole sentence together. Today is Monday, March 22nd, 2021. Good job. Next, I'm going to make all my numbers up to 22. I want to practice making my numbers every day so I get really good at them. You can practice on your paper or you can do them in the air with me. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Thank you for doing the sentence and the numbers with me. That was a lot of work to do. We did a great job. Did you peek outside before we started today to see what kind of weather it is outside? What kind of weather do you hope it's going to be? We had some rain yesterday and that was fun. I am okay with having rain again, but it's okay if we don't. Is it partly cloudy, partly sunny where you are? Not here. What about cloudy? We don't have any clouds here. Rainy? So I don't have any clouds, so I don't have any rain either. And I don't have any snow, but I have lots of sunshine. We're having a nice, bright, sunny day today. So we'll put that on the chart. And will you help me enter the weather into our chart? So the first one is raining, but it's not raining. What about snowing? Nope, that's not it either. Sun shining? That's the one that we want. So we'll go across here and we can see there's already some tally marks in there. Let's see how many we have. So what is this? Do you remember? What does this mean when we have 4 tally marks and then a line through it? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So when we see 4 lines with a line through it, that means 5. And then over here we have 1, 2. So we have 5 plus 2. What does 5 plus 2 equal? Let's count it up and see if our answer is right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 5 plus 2 equals 7. And we're going to add one more tally mark. What do you think 7 plus 1 is? Ooh, that's a good answer. Let's see if our guess is correct. We'll put a mark here. You can practice on your paper or in the air. Strike it down. So we had 7 plus 1 or 5 plus 3. Let's count it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 7 plus 1 equals 8, or 5 plus 3 equals 8. And we've had 8 sunny days so far. Thank you for helping me with the weather chart. Let's put the weather into our agenda. I'm going to put a sun here. Then we can keep track of our weather throughout the month or the week. Now I'm going to draw one activity that I'm doing today. We do lots of activities in the day, and sometimes it's good to write it down on our agenda so that we can keep track of what we need to do throughout the day. So while I'm drawing what I'm going to do, I would like you to draw something that you're going to do today. It can be anything, even something like eating lunch or playing with your ball or going outside or reading a book, any of those things. My activity today is going to be reading a book. So I'm going to draw a picture of a book here, and you can draw a picture of what you're going to do today. So I'm just going to draw a spine of a book here, and then the cover and the back cover and some papers, some pages in there. And I'm going to draw a book about a monkey. I have a couple books about a monkey that I really like to read. Do you have any books about monkeys that you like to read? And they have long tails. Next, I'm going to put my name at the bottom because I want to practice printing my name every day. And you should also always put your name at the bottom of your pictures that you draw. So I'm going to print my name here, and I would like you to practice printing your name on your paper. Don't forget to put a capital at the beginning. Capital C-E-L-Y-N-N-E. Thank you for doing the agenda with me. How are you feeling today? Yesterday, I was pretty excited because I was going to play in the puddles, and I did, and I had so much fun. It was a really good time. So are you excited today? I don't think I'm feeling excited today. I think I'm a little bit more calm. Let's see, what else do we have here? Are you sad? I don't think I'm feeling sad today. Maybe you're a little bit weepy or disappointed. Maybe you wanted something to happen and it's not going to happen. What about angry? Are you angry today? I don't think I'm feeling angry. Nothing bad has happened. I'm not mad about anything or disappointed. I had a good sleep, so I'm not tired or grouchy either. What about happy? Are you happy today? Pleasant, pleased, calm? What about confused? Are you confused today? Or maybe you're feeling shy. Do you ever feel shy? Those are all okay emotions to have. I think I'm feeling happy today. So I'm going to put happy on my board. And my kind thing to do today is I am going to call up my friend and read my book to her. So I use my phone, my cell phone, and I use the video call, and I call my friend and read the book to her. And that is a kind thing to do because she doesn't know how to read yet, and she really enjoys hearing stories and seeing all the pictures. So that's going to be my kind thing to do today. Can you think of something kind to do today? Do you think you could call somebody and read them a story? I'm sure they would love it. I hope you find something kind and fun to do today, and we will see each other again tomorrow. Bye-bye, friends. Click the like button and select subscribe so you don't miss out on our future videos.